God damn it.
You need to quit fucking around while I'm driving.
Hi, everybody. Somebody's camera shy. He doesn't like anybody. So today, we are going for a lovely journey across the state of Oregon. And he's being really cool. So anyway, we're picking up something special, unique, awesome, lovely. He's more excited about it than I am, even though it's mine. So we'll see when we get it loaded up on the trailer. By the way, he's driving. He won't let me drive because I drive too slow for him. So safety first, kids. You got any words to say?
Austin drives like a bitch.
Well, we've made a stop and another stop. And don't mind the old guy there, but he's a little cranky at this point. I don't think you can actually see what's going on in the back. You can see a little bit there, but the new toy, the new prize is James. He's officially said he's going to be my friend.
No, I did not agree to that.
He's agreeing. However, we are sitting in front of a train here that is tremendously long, and in the back there, give you a little glimpse. All right, boys and girls, so here is the joy of the day. Just picked this up, guy out of Spokane. It needs work. However, it's actually in really, really good shape compared to most of the other ones I looked at from a rust standpoint. There's James right there. He's so upset. He's so upset with me. He told me I can't talk for the rest of the trip, but really, as you can see, I'm super excited because very, very minimal rust. And it's got patina, but that's going to end up going away. So just a sneak peek of what's to come.